announced, and I thought I'd make a video, so that's great. So, have you ever thought, well, gee willikers, I wonder if there's a common theme or thread that can connect the tarot cards, the periodic table of elements, and this graviton theoretical particle. So, yeah, let's get right into it. And I'm not some kind of tarot card expert or anything like that. I'm just looking for a common theme, and I'll leave it at that. So, looking at the first half of the characters and images that make up the first half of the tarot cards, all of these characters and these images have something in common. Can you see what it is? Can you guess what it is? They're all, don't worry if you didn't, because your tarot card reader probably doesn't realize this or didn't realize this. They're all affected by gravity. As soon as we get to the first card in the second half, it's the Hanging Man. And this is a card where it's just a character hanging upside down with a rope tied around their ankle, just hanging out, chilling upside down. Now, yeah, technically they're affected by gravity. However, why would someone do that? Like, what's it trying to say? Other than, the only thing I can think of is they're trying to simulate what it would be like to experience what it would be like to be floating. And as we continue along the second half of the characters and images in the tarot cards, we notice all of them have something in common. You can probably guess what it is. They're either floating, have wings, or are straight up planets and stars floating in outer space. So you can almost categorize the first half as gravity, the second half as anti-gravity, if you're looking for a common theme. Now moving to the specifically the 8 families on the periodic table of elements. Families 1 through 4, the first family is the alkaline earth metals, and the general trend is families 1 through 4, they're all solids, and they start from Earth's core and steadily move up and away to Earth's surface, or Earth's crust. And families 5 through 8, so the second half of the periodic table of elements, the 5th family, the first element is nitrogen. Nitrogen is a gas. It makes up most of Earth's atmosphere. The next one, oxygen, another gas. The next one, fluorine, a liquid. The 8th family, those are all gases. So the trend continues from Earth's surface up and away towards Earth's upper atmosphere, with the 8th family being all gases. And the families 5 through 8, the second half of the periodic table of elements, they have, there's some solids. They also have liquids and gases. That's where the liquids and gases are located. And liquids and gases have to slow down and condense to become solids. So that's kind of cool that the anti-gravity theme is present in both systems. And why? Probably because both systems are attempting to measure as best they can the energetic rhythms, patterns, structures, and different exchanges of energies within us and around us in our environment. One is looking at it from the right creative, intuitive hemisphere of the brain. The other is looking at it from the left logical, mathematical hemisphere of the brain. How does this connect to the graviton particle? Well, both systems, gravity, and appears to be what separates the first half and the second half.
And they're both measuring energetic exchanges, and you may have heard the CERN machine is looking for the graviton, one of the 4 fundamental forces for their theory of everything.
So yeah, if you liked this video or found it interesting, thank you, I appreciate it. If you want to, feel free to like, share, and subscribe, that whole thing. I guess I'll be going by the psychologist, and I'll be posting some more videos about some science topics. I'll make them quick and easy to understand, and cover some big topics really fast, and some more in-depth topics really deep, also really fast and quick. Yeah, I guess it's the psychologist. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.